Say hey everyone. We're going on holiday, aren't we? And you've already worked this out, haven't you? Where are you going? We're not ready yet. So the car is that rammed full. I'm going to have to get Mr. Bluebean in his cage inside the car and then pack round him because we can't get the food in. And we have only took a small cool box, so we're not being piggy wigs. So I'll show you once we've got everything in the car to show you what it looks like. Bless you! Why are you sneezing for? What's up with you? What kind of sneezing is that? All I've done is put you in the covers. You alright? Do you want me to wipe your chops? Hold on. You're still sneezing, look, and we've got everything in. Calm down. Calm down, you're just too excited. Right then, we're ready then. Are you ready? Get laid down, my little dog. Bless you. That's it, snot on me pillow. That's it. Right then, Boo. Are you ready? Let's get started. So we've made it, and guess what? It's raining. It's bloody raining. You couldn't write it, could you? So this is our humble abode. Avid viewers will know we've been here before. Hot tub. Car's parked over there. It's not that busy actually. This dog bed's provided by them. Settee, all animal friendly. Blue's travelling crate we bring in so we can sleep. Fire. TV. Kitchen. Stocked up with better things than what I have in my own house, to be honest with you. The dishwasher, don't ask me how to use that, I've not got a clue. Washing machine. And then them steps go up to the reception. And then we've got as well oven, microwave, fridge, and a freezer. This one's a 4-berth, so obviously we don't require this, but my partner uses it. Stops him coming in my space. Bathroom. My bedroom. With my makeup area. And in here, we have another one. So yeah. Pretty good. Oh, and another TV. But I don't watch telly in bed. Somebody's doing Swan Lake in the hot tub. I better go and join him. He's doing his exercises. It's like one of these things from the film called The Cocoon. Can you remember that? Oh my God, what am I letting myself in for? Right, let's go for it. I might regret this hair pinned up best we can so it don't get ruined. Spent all that money, didn't I, at the hairdressers? You watch, my hair will be saturated. But we've paid all this money and we're going to try and make the best of a bad job. You can't do this at home. I know. Is that with Mama Bear? Is that with Mama Bear watching telly, aren't you? You up to? You weigh a ton. You weigh a ton. Are we having pizza? Are we having some pizza? Yeah. And tomorrow we're going for a long walk. So tomorrow's plan. We're going for a walk. We're going to the waterfall. We're going to the waterfall. Yes. We're going to walk there, aren't we? We are. We're walking there. And then we might pop in at that pub and see if they do any nice food. And then we might go there for tea. Might we? Oh my God. That's it. Break my ribs. Break my ribs. So on that bombshell, we'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Bye for now.